Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the AGARO Regal Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. This is a 800-watt vacuum cleaner, comes with a one-year warranty. This boasts of a lightweight and compact design, portability and durable ABS plastic body. And that's more or less all the information on this box. There's an image of the vacuum cleaner right over here. It's a handheld vacuum cleaner. Let's see what's inside. We have several things here. First up, we have the user manual for the AGARO Regal. Everything that you want to know, the different component parts, how to prepare the appliances, not just that, how to clean them, how to, precautions that you should be using while using this particular vacuum cleaner. Everything is listed over here, safety information as well. That's one. Next up, we have a couple of attachments. First up, we have a multi-purpose brush. There you go. This is what it looks like. This is a multi-purpose brush attachment. And this is basically an extender for this particular vacuum cleaner. This is the nozzle that comes with it. This is a nozzle that we'll be using to, cleaning all the dirt and everything from different crevices and corners. And this here is the AGARO Regal 800-watt vacuum cleaner. It comes with this very well designed, and it comes with ABS plastic body, as I mentioned earlier. This part is transparent. You can see the bag where all the dust will collect. So the idea is that once the dust starts collecting, the bag will keep increasing in size, and once it reaches to this point, you will know that the bag is full. It's a great way of showing how this thing works. So you can actually take this part off. So this is how you do it. You just press this red button and pull the cover. And this is the bag where all the dust will get collected. Let's put this back in and put this cover back on as well. Then just make sure that this is tightly attached. You have to make sure that this part is really tight, otherwise it will keep coming off when you use this particular machine. The rest of the vacuum cleaner, basically this part, the main power unit, it has this nice piano black finish as well, and there's also an ergonomic handle that comes with it. I'm going to plug it to a power source and I will show you if this works. Okay, let me take out this cable tie first. It comes with a really long cable, let me tell you that. It's a 2-pin cable. It's a really thick cable and it's quite long. This is at least 2 meters in length. Look at this, there's a lot of wire here. I'm going to put this in now. And let's turn it on. There you go, it's quite powerful. It's actually quite powerful. It's an 800-watt motor after all. Every time I turn it on, there's a little jerk to it. Let's quickly see if this works or not. So, it works just fine. Just pull one particular particle in there. It pulled this particular piece of cardboard in without any effort whatsoever. This is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the AGARO Regal 800-watt handheld vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching.